It's me again with another package. Now, mind you, I think this package came from before the other package, but the other one was Temu. This one does say Shein Fulfillment, Inglewood, California. So, and you see my shirt. I can't even stand up. It's Bugs Bunny, and then it's got what, Lola or whoever that girl is. I don't worry about her. I just love Bugs Bunny. I love Looney Tunes in general. I do have a lot of Looney Tunes shirts, but I do have a lot of Bugs Bunny shirts. Okay. But anyways, on to the reason why I'm making this video, because when I told you I had got the other package, it had been 2 weeks. This one, 2 weeks, few days, 3 weeks, whatever, and I just been holding on to it. But I was like, since I want to start making more videos, I was like, let me make a video, which I could have made it last night, but I was like, I'll just wait. So here I am again, me and my struggle hair. Y'all, I struggle to put it in a shower cap when I go to take a shower, and I was supposed to go to the hair store today to buy a bigger shower cap, and I forgot. So now I'm gonna have to struggle again tomorrow when I go take a shower, and then go get a new one tomorrow for the next day's shower. So hopefully I'll remember, because I'm tired of struggling. And then you should see my bonnet, even though I do got a bigger bonnet, so I might wear the bigger bonnet because the other one's tight. So when I took it off earlier to take a shower, I was like, damn, like you could see the impression all the way around here, you know what I mean? So okay, enough of that. So this is from Shein, Inglewood, California, and I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I had ripped it open because I was like, let me just make sure, because I get stuff, right, and then I don't open it, and it'd be like weeks or months later. I ain't even gonna lie, a lot of months sometimes, especially last year when my closet was really bad. I was just buying stuff, I was chucking it in there, I ain't look at that stuff, and then eventually I open it like, oh wow, you know what I mean? So I'm trying to do better with opening packages when I get them. I'm not gonna lie, I do got some boots over there that I bought months ago that I ain't even opened, so maybe I'll open them too. We'll see how I feel. So anyways, here, so I had cut it open, but I didn't never take nothing out, so everything we finna see together, okay? Now, I remember ordering some glasses, and it tells me on the outside that it's some glasses. So we'll save that for later. Oh, I could have cut the dress. Damn. Okay, glad I didn't cut it. So, I don't know. Well, I ain't gonna say I don't know. I don't remember what all I bought. And because I only got one phone and I ain't got my computer, but I could go get it. But then I had to sign in on Shein so I could look to see what I got. And I ain't gonna do all that. So I'm just gonna show y'all what I got and we can remember together. Because I don't remember. Oh yeah, I do. I bought a couple of dresses, some sunglasses, and a short outfit or something like that. So yeah. Oh my God. And see, my plan is to get all of this smaller. Like I'm going to get me a waist trainer, and I'm going to work out, whatever. I just need a small waist. You know what I mean? Not even the waist. The waist up here is where your waist is. It's not that bad. It's all the extra I need gone. Okay? So that's what we're going to work on. But I figure if I give me some dresses, that'll be like a little bit motivation to kind of get it together. Because I'm sorry, when I buy stuff, certain things, I want my body, I'm going to put in there to look a certain way. So I need my stomach to look flat, to appear flat. It ain't even really got to be flat, but I need it to look like it is. Okay? So, ooh-wee. And I'm short. I'm only 5'2". So, I'm looking at this dress like... But anyways, look at this, y'all. And now, what the hell is I gonna do? See, this is why I shouldn't have bought this dress. Now that I think about it, but I done bought the damn dress, so now I just gotta deal with it. But I don't like nothing that accentuates your damn boobs because it be so small. Like, what the hell is I gonna do with this? This is not... Who the hell? And then, let me see. This seems like... Oh, that don't sound too good, huh? Well, it's loosening up now. But, like, I don't like boob, like, where it's made for your boobs, because it's usually, like, itty-bitty cups. Like, who the hell? What the hell? But it's okay. I don't know if that's a good sound or... Oh, you know what? Oh, my goodness, y'all. I think that it's supposed to stay like that. And here I am thinking that it's supposed to slide. Oh Lord, I done ripped the dress and I ain't even wore the bitch yet. Wow. But it's looser, as you can see. Now I could do like this. Plus I know how to sew. So if I need to sew it back to make it tight, I could do that. But damn, okay, I done messed up the dress. I ain't even wore that mug yet. Cause see, this don't even move. That's dumb. Like, why you put that there? But anyways, we gonna move on. Okay, so this is one dress. Now it makes me mad that I think I bought 2 of these hoes. Ugh. Okay. That's alright. We're gonna make it do what it do. So that's one. Okay. Okay. So then I got this. This is, oh, why would I get this in extra large? Oh God. So this is an extra large. I don't know what the hell. See, that's the thing about me. I buy extra large because I feel like this says one, bitch, this says 1X. No, this says extra large. Okay. So for me, I feel like I know I'm not like big all over. Like I just hold a lot of weight right here, which I need this to be gone. And then, you know, I got other things, you know, whatever. So I always get bigger size. But then when you put it on and it be too big and look like it's swallowing you because I'm already petite. And then, I don't know. So we going to see. Dang nabbit. So I might have to do a video where I try them on. I don't know. We cool, but I don't know if we that cool yet. I'm trying to get there, though. But, yeah. So, this is cute. And it's a 1X, so, you know, I don't like nothing too tight on my midsection. I like it to be roomy. I don't know how these shorts gonna fit because the way my midsection is built is real weird. Like, it ain't just rounded. It dips in and it's real soft and mushy, you know, whatever. I think I'm telling y'all too many details. Okay, moving on to the next outfit. Okay, and then it come with the belt there. See the belt, so you can put the belt on the shorts. So that's going to be good to hold my pants up. Because if I don't wear a belt, all my ish will be on the floor. Like, for real, for real. Okay, so maybe I should make 2 parts. But that's 2 outfits. Like, what the hell? Okay, I'll do one more. Now, this one, yeah, I'll do one more because this is 3 pieces. So I bought a 3-piece, 3-piece dress outfit, 3-piece dress, whatever the hell. This is a large. OMG. Ooh, it's stretchy, y'all. Like it bounced back almost like a rubber band. So this is a large. All 3 of them is a large. But it's 3 colors. It's a pink color. It's this green color. And these are shorter. Okay. And then there's black one there. Okay. And it's ribbed. And it's stretchy. So yeah, okay. And I bought this stuff a month ago. And then, it's been like, this package probably been 2-3 weeks ago. Even though I think I bought them close together. So like 2 to 3 weeks. Okay. And that's 3 dresses. So I'm going to stop this and then I'll make a part 2, I guess. Okay, bye.